And we are now going to get to the showdown over health care reform. For the second time in 2 weeks, President Obama brought Senate Democrats down to the White House to plead with them to stick together and pass his bill by Christmas. But now the former chairman of the Democratic National Committee is saying the bill should be scrapped. Senior congressional correspondent Jonathan Karl joins us from Capitol Hill with the latest. John?
George, liberals like Howard Dean may not like this latest Senate compromise on health care, but the president likes it, and he's making it clear he wants Congress to pass it and pass it now. The president firmly told Democrats the time for bickering is over.
We simply cannot allow differences over individual elements of this plan to prevent us from meeting our responsibility to solve a long-standing and urgent problem for the American people. They are waiting for us to act.
But liberals are unhappy, saying the bill has been gutted to please independent Democrat Joe Lieberman, who demanded no government-run insurance program or public option and no expansion of Medicare. Former Democratic Chairman Howard Dean said Democrats should kill the Senate bill and start over.
This is essentially the collapse of health care reform in the United States Senate.
But Democratic leaders say the bill will still cover millions of Americans with no insurance and is worth passing.
I disagree with Howard Dean. Howard Dean is a medical doctor. He has to know what it means when 30 million Americans are finally going to have health insurance.
Now all eyes are on Senator Ben Nelson, who has demanded tighter limits on abortion coverage. Democratic leaders are counting on his support, but he still won't say how he'll vote. There's one thing they can't count on, and that's any Republican support. Even moderate Maine Republican Olympia Snowe, who has been working with Democrats for months on health care, told ABC News that she doesn't like this latest compromise and she's poised to vote no.